SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to screen record on iPhone 15 Pro. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you've ever wanted to take a video of the content on your iPhone screen, then there's a default tool that you can use called screen recording that allows you to accomplish this. If you want to start screen recording on your iPhone, then the first thing that you need to do is open the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the Control Center option from this menu. And then you just need to scroll down until you find the screen recording option listed under More Controls. If you don't see screen recording here, then it's possible that it's already in your Control Center, which you'll be able to find the screen recording option by scrolling up to this Included Controls section. But if the screen recording option is in the More Controls section, then you just need to tap the green plus to the left of it, which is going to add it to this top section, meaning that that option is now available in the Control Center. So now you just need to open the Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen, and then you're going to look for this screen recording button here. It looks like one circle inside of another. Note that you only need to add the screen recording button to the Control Center the first time you do this, and then anytime you want to make a screen recording, you just need to find this button. So if you're ready to start screen recording, just tap the screen recording button, which is going to start a 3-second countdown as indicated in the dynamic island, and then it's going to start recording the content on your screen. Once you're done doing whatever you wanted to do to record it, then you can just tap on this red circle in the dynamic island, and then you can tap the stop button there to stop the screen recording. Now you're going to see that the recording was saved to the Photos app, so you can go into the Photos app and find that screen recording to view it. Note that you're going to find that if you screen record this way, that the screen recording won't have any sound, so if you would like to include sound in your screen recording, then we need to go back to the Control Center, and rather than just tapping on the screen recording button, we're going to tap and hold on it. That's going to bring up a menu that looks like this. So if you want to have audio, you can just tap this microphone button, so it should now say microphone on, and then you can start the recording by either tapping that button, or you can go back and you can tap the button there, and the next screen recording that you do is going to include some audio.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic, and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.